Dear friends, welcome back to my channel and you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. Here is the attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and features, etc. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room, thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.